Today we'll be working on a basic garter stitch, which is a knit stitch. So you have your working yarn, which should be attached to your ball of yarn, and you have your access from you casting on. You'll hold it in your hand. You insert your needle under your cast on needle, and you're going to wrap your yarn around, under, and pull it off. And you're going to do it again. Insert your needle under your cast on needle, wrap it around, pull it off. We're going to do it a few more times, kind of, so you can just get the hang of things. Okay, so if you did it correctly, it should look like mine. Kind of straighten it out a little bit. Now we're going to put it back in our left hand, and we're going to do it again. Insert it under, wrap your yarn around, pull it under and off. And we're going to do it again. Under, we're just going to continue working. Thanks for watching Knitting Science.